Alright guys, today I'm doing a review of this flavors from India. And these are Magic Masala, and let's do this. Look at this here. The nutrient panel. If you guys want to read it, pause the video. And there's the ingredients. So we're going to do a quick taste test. This was at COSTCO. So let's open it up and do a quick taste test. Okay, so here it is. That's what it looks like. Yeah, it's actually pretty good. It has a subtle heat, like very minor, and it has a lot of like almost like a curry taste to it. It's nice. Definitely check it out. It has a little bit of a kick. If you have any questions, comments, please subscribe to the channel.